h equal to 1, negative feedback is present. Negative feedback is present. Forward direction 1 by Ts and feedback h equal to 1, negative feedback is present. If you apply G by 1 plus GH, G by 1 plus GH, the closed loop transfer function will be, okay. So 1 by 1 plus Ts. On simplification, it becomes 1 by 1 plus Ts. Okay. Just 1 minute. So now I'm going to the next point. This is the transfer function of first order. This is the transfer function of first order system. This is equation number 1. Transfer function of first order system. Transfer function of first order system. Okay. So R of t means R of t equal to U of t. R of t is the general representation for any system. Generally, we use R of t for the input representation, C of t for the output representation. This is system. So that input is step signal. U of t means step signal. Okay. So if input equal to step signal, output is called step response. Output is called step response. If input is impulse signal, then output is called impulse response. Response means output. Other name for output is response. So here what we are going to find, if at all we apply step signal as the input, then what about the output? What is the step response? Okay. So we are having inside the system. Transfer function is present inside the system. We are having in equation 1. Okay, what is there inside the system? And input we are going to apply U of t. Then what about the output? Output is called step response. Okay, the same here R of s, C of s, and we have calculated the closed loop transfer function alone using the blocks G and, okay, using the blocks. This is G and here h equal to 1, negative feedback. So we are applying G by 1 plus GH. We calculated the transfer function. Then what we have done, we are applying this entire system. Is nothing but in the previous case 1 by Ts, then h equal to 1. That completely becomes system. Okay, the system, we are having input R of t, output C of t. In Laplace transform, it is R of s and C of s. Okay, so this entire thing, G and H, entire thing, that is considered as the system. Okay, so what we have calculated is transfer function here, and the transfer function is for the system behavior. Transfer function is nothing but system behavior. Okay, now you can understand how we got the system. This G and H together, we are simplifying and calling it as a system. Now I am going to apply input as step signal. Now I am going to find what is step response for first order system. How we are calling it as first order means denominator highest power of s is 1. Okay, so denominator we have to consider. Then what is the highest power of s in denominator? Highest power of s in denominator. Okay, that is called order of the system. Order is nothing but denominator highest power of s. Okay, s power 1 is the value. So for it is a first order system. So in equation 1, first order system, how we have done, denominator highest power of s is 1. So it is first order system. Now I am proceeding. If it is step signal, its Laplace is 1. Okay, so R of t equal to U of t means R of s Laplace transform we are applying. Okay, R of s Laplace transform we are applying. Laplace transform of U of t is nothing but 1 by s. Here it is written, Laplace transform of U of t is nothing but 1 by s. Okay, now I am going and applying it in the system. Okay, so generally what happens, we are having C of s by R of s, which is 1 by 1 plus st. This is the closed loop transfer function, 1 by 1 plus st. If you want C of s, then it is nothing but R of s into 1 by 1 plus st. Already in the previous step, we calculated r of s is 1. So just we are substituting that r of s equal to 1. We are substituting r of s equal to 1. Then apply partial fraction and find the terms. All this we have studied how to apply partial fraction from class 9. And finally, we are getting this equation 1 minus e power minus t by capital T. 1 minus e power minus t by capital T. Okay, this is called step response of first order system. Step response of first order system. All these derivations are not required with respect to exam point of view. Okay, so final answer is 1 minus e power minus t by capital T. Capital T is the time constant and small t is independent variable. Small t is independent variable. Okay, so what we have seen, first order system from here. Okay, it is first order system. We have calculated closed loop transfer function, denominator of s equal to 1 in the closed loop. So it is a first order system. Then we applied step signal for the input. We applied step signal for the input. Okay, now output we are going to calculate step response. Step response in time domain, the output we are going to calculate. So for that, the equation 1, it is C of s by R of s equal to 1 by 1 plus Ts. Okay, and if I want C of s, shift the R of s to right side, shift the R of s to right side, it becomes R of s into 1 by 1 plus st. We are substituting R of s value, which is 1 by s, and then applying partial fraction and getting the constant values a and b, and then inverse Laplace transform. After getting constants, apply inverse Laplace transform, standard formula. Then we will have 1 minus e power minus t by capital T, minus t by capital T. Okay, so here what we had, it is in frequency domain. This is output in frequency domain, or Laplace domain. Okay, here what we are calculating, output in time domain, Okay, this is the final output, step response. This is called step response because input is step signal. Step response because input is step signal. Okay, so this is the final equation. Equation number 2, I will take equation number 2. This is first order system step response. First order system step response. So the same I have taken. Input is step signal. The first diagram, input is step signal. Okay. Slowly, if you vary this t value, if small t equal to 1 time capital T, small t equal to 2 times capital T, we are assuming small t equal to 3 times capital T. You can see the x-axis. Okay, small t equal to 1 time capital T, 2 time capital T, 3 time capital T. This capital T will get cancelled. Capital T will get cancelled. E value I told you 2.718. Okay, that is a constant. So you can get 0.632, 0.865, 0.995 and 1. Okay, something like this. So we are drawing the final graph. This thick line is final graph. Okay, first one is input graph. Second one is output graph. Input is step signal. Okay, so input is step signal. Input is step signal. Input, which is step signal. This is the output, otherwise called as step response graph. Okay, this is our equation 1. Okay, equation of first order, equation for step response of, first order system. First order system. We have taken first order only in the beginning, first order system. Okay. So if the amplitude instead of 1, if it is capital A, then second equation will come. Okay. If it is capital A, if capital A instead of 1, if it is capital A, then this equation 1A will be the output. Okay. So generally this capital A is not required, just for the sake general explanation only I am explained. Okay, for general explanation only we have done it, general explanation. Otherwise this A value will be 1, A value will be 1, and then that is the step response equal